Hi students, today we will discuss about the important organic reactions. Important organic reaction according to your exam point of view we will discuss. So first reaction is a Schmidt reaction. First reaction is Schmidt reaction. And in this Schmidt reaction, the carboxylic acid it is reacting with hydrozoic acid. Carboxylic acid, the formula is COOH, CH3COOH. Alkyl group, it is bonded to the COOH. So it is calling as carboxylic acid. It is reacting with hydrozoic acid. Formula is N3H. That means reactants are carboxylic acid and hydrozoic acid. They are both reacted together, and the presence of acid is calling as H2SO4 sulfuric acid. As a result, the formation product is a RNH2 amine. Primary amine is a formation product, plus carbon dioxide gas is released, plus N2 gas is released. That means carboxylic acid it is reacting with hydrozoic acid in the presence of H2SO4 sulfuric acid. As a result, the formation product is a primary amine. Then the reaction is said to be Schmidt reaction. Said to be Schmidt reaction. This is the most important reaction for your annual exam purpose. Next the important reaction is a Hunt's-Dicker reaction. Next is Hunt's-Dicker reaction. Hunt's-Dicker reaction. So in this Hunt's-Dicker reaction, the silver salt of fatty acid it is reacting with bromine. So silver salt of fatty acid, so formula is RCOOAg. Ag is nothing but silver salt of fatty acids. These are reacted with bromine. Formula is Br2 in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. As a result, the formation product is alkyl bromide, and CO2 gas is released, plus silver bromide is one more product is formed. If we will take as a if we will take in the place of alkyl, if we will take methyl, formula is CH3, then CH3 substitute methyl in the place of alkyl group, CH3COOAg plus Br2 bromine. They are reacted in presence of carbon tetrafluoride. As a result, the formation product is CH3Br plus CO2 plus AgBr. So these are the important Hunt's-Dicker reaction. Silver salt of fatty acid is reacting with bromine in presence of carbon tetrafluoride. As a result, the formation product is alkyl bromide. This is the second important question. And the third important question is Arnold-Ester reaction. Arnold-Ester reaction or Arnold-Ester synthesis. So in this Arnold-Ester synthesis, take as a carboxylic acid. So in the place of alkyl group, I am taking C6H5. So C6H5 carboxylic acid, normal formula is, general formula is COOH. It is reacting with phosphorus pentachloride in the presence of POCl3. Carboxylic acid it is reacting with phosphorus pentachloride. As a result, the removal products are POCl3 and HCl. The both will get removal from this reactant. As a result, the formation product is acyl chloride, C6H5 C double bond O Cl. So this is nothing but acyl and it is chloride. So acyl chloride is formed. Again, this acyl chloride it is reacting with diazomethane. That means aza is nothing but nitrogen. So di means 2. So 2 nitrogens, diazomethane, formula is CH2. So 2 molecules of diazomethane These acyl chloride, it is reacting with diazomethane. As a result, the formation product is diazoketone. Diazoketone. C double bond O and CHN2. So this is diazo means 2 nitrogens, and remaining this is a C double bond O, or it is ketone group. So this is diazoketone. Diazoketone. Again, this diazoketone, it is involving in hydrolysis process. As a result, the formation product is phenyl acetic acid. Phenyl, the formula is C6H5, acetic acid CH2COOH. That means the formation of that means first the carboxylic acid, it is reacting with phosphorus pentachloride. Again, there is a removal of products POCl3 and hydrochloric acid. As a result, the formation product is acyl chloride. Again, these acyl chloride, it is reacting with diazomethane. As a result, the formation product is diazoketone. This diazoketone, again, it is undergoing the hydrolysis process. As a result, the formation product is phenyl acetic acid. That means the production of phenyl acetic acid is calling as Arnold ester reaction. And the most important reaction is amide reaction. The most important reaction is amide reaction or amide formation. Amide formation reaction. That means preparation of amide from carboxylic acid. That means we are preparing the amide from carboxylic acid. So preparation of amide from the carboxylic acid is calling as amide formation reaction. Already we know the normal formula of amide is, general formula of amide is RC double bond O NH2. This is amide. Next, carboxylic acid normal formula is RCOOH. That means preparation of amide from carboxylic acid. So now we will see the mechanism. First, these carboxylic acid, that means RCOOH, it is reacting with ammonia. Ammonia formula is NH3. Carboxylic acid, it is reacting with ammonia. As a result, the formation product is ammonium salt, RCOONH4. It is ammonium salt. Again, this ammonium salt, it is undergoing hydrolysis. That means removal of water from this ammonium salt. As a result, the formation final product is amide RC double bond O NH2. RC double bond O NH2. So this is a most important question. Amide formation